Look what we did. David, what do you think?
It's shameful.
It's awesome. We got hood pins on the Prius. I guarantee you this is the only Prius in the history of mankind that has hood pins. So like I said, we couldn't get the hood to line up exactly with this Chinesium bumper and the fact that the car is tweaked a little bit. So we put hood pins in it. Come on, you gotta love it. Let's go.
It looks better than I expected, but still.
Can you pose by it for me? Pose. No, like something kind of like get into it. Come on. No, like sexy time. Let's go. Not slower. Slower.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Not doing it.
You
I'm done.
you lay on that hood.
You had your chance.
Oh, come on. Lay on it.
I'm not gonna jump up on you. That's probably about a Harbor Freight.
Look at
or
this.
Walmart.
Hood pins. Yes, hood pins in the Prius. Only Prius in the world with hood pins, Dave.
I'm just happy she's back on the road.
Well, we're not on the road yet.
Well, soon.
Think of all the bitches you're gonna get.
I don't think Sue should be happy about that.
You went and got married. What are you doing?
Going home.
No, what do you have hood pins on your Prius?
I have hood pins on my Prius.
You redneck bastard.
Runs in the family.
Look at that. Gonna go home to your cousins?
All 6 of them.
6? How many toes?
Yeah. How many?
Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Put her in there.
How should we do this?
I would just tie it right through that bolt hole.
Which bolt hole? This one?
Yeah. No. I'd go through here.
Oh, that is a bolt hole, isn't it?
Yep. Shove it in. Didn't know you were a dentist.
I do it on the side.
That sounds not safe.
You don't gotta wash your instruments, right?
No. As long as the price reflects it. We really should make t-shirts or something. Hey David! Can we start a club?
What's that?
Can we start a club?
We should. You want some hood pins?
No!
Got another set.
Can we just make t-shirts?
Huh?
T-shirts!
Prius Club t-shirts?
Yeah.
Hood pin Prius Club?
Hey, can you ride on this?
Hey, I feel like you're implying something mean. Your mom can.
Jesus. What do you have against my mother?
Doesn't your mom watch your YouTube videos?
Yeah?
You're a nice lady.
That didn't feel very sincere. You gotta look at her.
Huh?
You gotta look at her.
You're a nice lady.